All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to lock the orientation. Your orientation is basically, you've got horizontal and you've got vertical, right? So this would be like if you're going to shoot for TikTok or Instagram, and this is kind of like your YouTube, or if you're making a movie type thing. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to lock it into this position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down. It's going to take me to this page. I'm going to click right here on this. And now I've locked the operation. Now I'm going to go back, and here we are, right? If I turn it to the side, it stays in horizontal, right? Just like that. Turn it to the side, it stays horizontal. All right, so that way you're always locked in it. It's not going to change on you. Now if I pull this down, I want to unlock it from orientation. I just click there, and then we're out. And then again, I can turn it this way, and it automatically swings back. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.